Imagine you are all set for your solo adventure, luggage packed, passport in hand, and then you see it. Your flight is delayed. Suddenly, your carefully planned journey feels uncertain, and you might wonder what your next steps should be. When your airline flight is delayed, you absolutely have passenger rights, but what those rights are can vary significantly based on several factors, including the reason for the delay, the length of the delay, and, importantly, where your flight is departing from or arriving. These rights exist to provide a baseline of protection and assistance to travelers who experience unexpected disruptions. The core mechanism behind these protections stems from various government regulations and individual airline policies. For instance, within the United States, federal law mandates that airlines provide information about delays and often offer amenities during extended tarmac delays. However, for delays not on the tarmac, the U.S. Department of Transportation does not generally requiring airlines to provide monetary compensation for domestic flight delays or cancellations, even if they are due to the airline's fault. This means that while airlines are expected to get you to your destination, direct cash compensation for mere delays is typically not federally required within the U.S. In contrast, the European Union's Regulation 261, 2004, commonly known as EU 261, offers much stronger protections for flights departing from or arriving in the EU on an EU-based airline. This regulation can entitle passengers to financial compensation for significant delays of 3 hours or more, along with the right to care, which includes meals, refreshments, and even hotel accommodation if an overnight stay is needed. To exercise your rights, your first step should always be to understand the reason for the delay by speaking with airline staff, checking flight status updates, or using airline apps. If you are entitled to care, such as food vouchers or hotel accommodation, request these directly from the airline. Keep all your boarding passes and any receipts for expenses you incur due to the delay, like meals or transportation. If your delay falls under EU 261 or similar regulations in other regions, like the Canadian Transportation Agency rules, you may need to submit a formal claim to the airline for compensation. Many airlines have online forms for this, or you can use reputable third-party services that specialize in flight delay claims. A key insider detail to remember is the distinction between delays caused by uncontrollable circumstances, such as severe weather, and those within the airline's control, like mechanical issues or crew shortages. Regulations like EU 261 typically only mandate compensation for delays within the airline's control. Always document communications with the airline, including names and times, which can be invaluable if you need to escalate a claim. Also, be aware that some credit cards offer travel insurance benefits that might cover delay-related expenses, so check your card benefits. Understanding these nuances empowers you to confidently navigate flight delays, ensuring you know what to ask for and what support you are entitled to. By being informed and prepared, you can turn a potentially frustrating disruption into a manageable hiccup, allowing you to get back to enjoying your solo travel experience with peace of mind.